myself Srinivasu, working as lecturer in computer science in ABN and PRR Degree College, Kovur. Okay, from today going to discuss about the concept is DBMS. So DBMS is nothing but database management system. The name itself indicates the managing database. One more thing, students, you have to one of the computer paper in this semester, that is database management system. After this session, I will provide a syllabus paper or PDF file. Syllabus, this is the syllabus. I will provide a syllabus paper after this session. Okay, let's go to the point. The name itself indicates the meaning the database. So it is divided into database plus management system. So first we have to know about the database. What is meant by database? Where we are using the database? Why we are using the database? So where I see about the data and information. Database is a collection of data. Database is a collection of data. Data is a combination data and information. What is meant by the data and what is meant by the information? Here see the image. Data, it is a raw facts and unorganized data, unprocessed information. Here we mention data is a raw material, like data should be the same. Data should be as a particular point and numbers, symbols, words, images, videos, sounds. These are all known as a data. These factors as a raw material, and data is a unorganized data. Unorganized means not a particular order, and unprocessed information. Unprocessed means it is a not a meaningful information. Example: name, phone number, age, etc. Next one, information. Information is a organized data. Data is a unorganized data. Unorganized means no meaning. Information means meaningful output, and processed data. Why we need information? Information is necessary for the people of modern world, because without proper information it is very difficult to survive. This is the information and data. What is the difference between information and data? Data is a raw facts and figures. Figures means data should be a numbers and figures, symbols. That is are all data. But information is processed form of data. Data does not help in decision making, but whereas information is helps in decision making. Difficult to understand properly in the data, but easy to understand in information. Data may not be in the order, but information should be in the order. This is the major part of the data and information. Here database is a collection of data. So we are all cover the data and information. And another point is a data is a to provide a hierarchical manner. That is data, how data can be representing That means hierarchical format. Hierarchical means data should be form of bits and next bytes and fields, record, file, database. This picture is belongs to the basic form of data hierarchy. Okay, next, what is bit? Bit can be representing 1 or 0. Byte can be representing collection of bytes and field is a group of characters. Record, collection of fields. Record, collection of fields. And file is collection of related records. Last one, database is a collection of related files. These are all points covered to the data hierarchy. One see the picture is first data should be form of bit, byte, field, record, file, database. This is the picture. It is a representation of data hierarchy. Hierarchy means hierarchical form of data. Next, go to the concept is database. Database is collection of data. In this chapter, database should maintain the different applications. Database and database systems have become important component of everyday life in the modern society. Data is a very important resource in the operation and management of organization. Database can be defined as a well organized collection of data that are related in meaningful way, which can be accessed by different users but different stored in only once. Different users but stored only once. Here picture can be represented as data 1, data 2 and so on, data n. This is a collection of related information to organized. Organized means information, to collecting the data and organized, to store it in a single place and access a different users. This is the form of database. Okay, once again I define it as a well organized collection of data that are related in meaningful way, which can be accessed by different users but stored only once. This is the database. Okay, next point is database operations. To maintain a huge database, we need certain operations which help in maintaining the data in the database efficiently. The most commonly used operations performed on the databases are: one is insertion, second one is selection, third one is updation, fourth one is deletion, and the last one is sorting. These are commonly used operations on the database. Go next point, insertion. What is the insertion? Insertion, to add a new data into the database. For example, to add a new phone number into the telephone directory. Next one, selection. Selection means retrieve stored data or view stored data in the database. For example, to view a phone number of a particular person from the telephone directory. Next option, updation. Updation means editing or modifying to modify or edit the existing data. For example, suppose the phone number of a particular person is changed, so we have to modify the telephone directory by replacing his old phone number with the new phone number. To change a phone number per particular person from the telephone directory. And the last one, sorting. Sorting means arranging the data, a particular order, like ascending or descending. For example, in the employee database of an organization, records should be arranged in alphabetical order for easy and fast retrieval. And the next point is database applications. Database applications. What is meant by database and where we are using the database, that is known as database applications, like banking, universities, airlines, e-commerce sites, telecommunications, manufacturing, business. Banking means for customer information, accounts, loans and banking transactions. Universities for a student information, course registration, results and grades should be maintained. Airlines means for a reservation and schedule information. Airlines for among the first to use database in geographically distributed manner, like terminals situated around the world accessed the central database system through phone lines or other data networks. Next, e-commerce sites, like for purchase on credit cards and purchase on some electronic goods, furniture, different sites. E-commerce sites are example Flipkart, Amazon, so and so. Next, telecommunication. Telecommunication for keeping a record of calls made, generating monthly bills, maintaining balance on prepaid calling cards, storing information about the communication network. Next, manufacturing for a tracking production of items in factories, inventories of items in the stores and orders for items. And the last one, business. Business to provide a for customer and product purchase a information. This is the full form of database applications. Thank you.